Hey, curators, and welcome to your new Curate account. We're so excited to have you here with us. To make sure that you're set up for success, we really want to talk through some of the settings pieces of your account today prior to our first onboarding. You can actually get to the settings by scrolling through all of the tabs here on the left-hand side of your screen and clicking on Settings right here. The first page that you get to is going to be your general information, your company name, proposal address, physical address, date format, time zone, things like that. If you haven't already, take this moment to really look at this and make sure it is set up correctly for you and it looks exactly the way you want it. Also, if you haven't already put your logo here in the company logo box, go ahead and upload that there and decide whether you want that to be included on your proposals or not. Additionally, as you scroll down through this page, you'll notice some other settings like inclusive tax price, PDF sheet size, and currency. Double check all of those as you're watching this video. Just make sure it's totally set up perfect for you. A few other items here at the bottom of the first screen of your settings page are our libraries. We have both the Curate Flower Library, Floral Supply Syndicate Library, and Catering Starter Library, depending on how your account is set up. If you have these selected, it will not necessarily add anything to the library tab that you see over here on the left-hand side, but it will really help you in future recipe creation, which we'll talk about in our first onboarding. Also, if your Curate account includes the rentals add-on, you'll also have this rentals notification overbook, and we can talk about that as well in your first onboarding. The last two pieces here are color for you to really customize what your Curate looks like and make it feel homey for you, your staff, and your company. We also have a proposal expiration message, which is shown here at the bottom, and you can edit that at any time if you choose to have your proposals have an expiration date. The next tab over is our accounting tab. You'll see your standard tax rate here, and it should be marked as default. If it's not, go ahead and make sure that that is selected. If you need to add an additional tax rate, you can click New Tax Rate here. And also, if you need to change the tax rate that is showing, you can click in the text box and simply backspace and retype. Take a minute to pause this video and make sure that your accounting tab looks set up correctly. The next tab over that you'll see is pricing profiles. This is where you can create markup for any of your ingredients that are listed within Curate, whether that is for catering, florals, hard goods, rentals. It's all available here for you within this standard markup. If you don't see this line that I'm seeing in my account, feel free to click on Add New Category here at the top left. From there, you can click in each individual text box and really customize your markup for yourself. You can also click on Yes to adding labor percentages to your recipes, adding a labor percentage, and then choosing what that percentage will apply to. And then also, of course, marking this markup as default. Again, take a moment to really pause this video and double check how your markups are set up for you in your account. The next tab over is Orders and Ecom. Everyone might not see this. It depends on your level of Curate. But if you do have the Orders add-on tool, this is where you will come to set up all of those. And we'll really dive into that in your Orders onboarding. Notification is going to be where you will see if someone has signed or made a payment on a proposal within Curate, as you can see demonstrated below in my 6th Street event accounts. Integrations is a great place for you to view what third-party options we partner with here at Curate, whether it's Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, payment processors such as Card Connect or Stripe, with Square coming soon, and then, of course, QuickBooks Online. Please keep in mind that depending on your level of Curate and the account that you have, you may see less integrations here than are shown. But take a minute again to pause this video and read through all of the integrations available to you on your Curate account. And if you have any questions, we can definitely talk about it in your first onboarding. The next tab over is our email templates. This is going to be a great time saver for you and your staff. If you have an email that you write all the time to a new customer, whether it's a bride or a corporate client, and you want to stop writing that email, let's make it a template for you so that you can simply select the template with the language that you've already typed and stop typing emails every single day. The next tab over that we're going to look at is users. This is where you can see any and all users associated with your account, choose their account role, delete them, or make changes. If you only have one user and you're looking for additional users, you can also add those here by adding more seats or adding new users. Please do keep in mind that there is a price associated with doing this, but it is available for you to do, again, under Settings and the Users tab. The next tab over is tags. This is a great place to help you organize your events. Once you have created a tag by clicking Add New Tag at the top left, naming it, giving it a color, and clicking Save on the right-hand side, it'll show up on your main event screen and allow you to use it as almost a search feature or button to toggle between events that only have those corresponding tags. Definitely go ahead and start playing with this. It is one of my favorite features, but it might just be the colors. The next tab over is workflows. This is going to be something you may or may not see depending on your level of Curate. However, if you do have workflows, take a minute to pause this video and read through this and see what Curate can help you do from an automation perspective, whether it's sending out payment reminders or automatically countersigning proposals. These 4 available workflows for you will really help you streamline your business with Curate. And again, if you do have questions about these workflows, we will 100% cover them in our first onboarding. The last 2 tabs here are billing and subscription. And they really are the back end of your Curate. It will show you when your expiration date is, what your billing cycle is, how many proposals you've used, things like that on the subscription page. Also, under the billing side, you'll be able to control the credit card number that you have on file with us, as well as see all of your purchase history with Curate. We're so excited to get started with you, and we hope this video allows you to dive in and get your account set up for success. We'll see you on your onboardings.